In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Wix domain. If you are using a free Wix site structure, the good news is that you can update the ending part of your site address without needing to upgrade your plan. More specifically, you can change the account prefix and the site subdirectory that appear in your free Wix URL. This is useful if your current link no longer matches your brand. Your project name has changed, or you simply want something cleaner and easier to share. To begin, open the dashboard for the specific Wix site you want to edit. This is important, especially if you manage more than one website in the same account, because you want to make sure you are updating the correct site. Once you are inside the right dashboard, take a moment to confirm that you are on the site you intend to rename before moving on. Next, look for the Site Actions icon near the top of the interface. This menu contains several management options related to your site. Click on it to open the available actions. If your screen layout looks slightly different, just focus on finding the site management area where actions for that website are grouped together. From the list of options, choose Rename Site. This is the setting that allows you to update the text connected to your free Wix site address. When you open it, you will be able to edit the relevant field tied to your current URL structure. Now type your new URL text into the site address, or URL field. Try to keep it short, clear, and easy to remember. A simple address is usually better for branding and easier for visitors to type correctly. Also, pay attention to spelling, since even a small typo can make your link look less professional or harder to recognize. After entering the new text, click Save to apply the change. Once saved, Wix will update the ending part of your live URL structure. That means your site will now use the new address you entered, as long as it's available and accepted by the platform. After saving, it's a good idea to double-check the updated link so you can confirm everything looks right. If you share your site in bios, messages, or social platforms, remember to replace the old link there as well so people are sent to the correct page. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.